So today we are going to study the chapter related to section first named as oscillation. Very important chapter. Generally long question asked from this chapter, completely based on mathematical steps. Completely. What do we understand by the term first oscillation? ऑसिलेशन किसे कहते हैं पहले वो देखते हैं. To understand oscillation, let us consider a rigid support to which one end of the string is attached, whereas the another end of the string is attached to the bob or a metallic sphere. To understand what is oscillation, take a string whose one end is attached to the rigid support, whereas the another end of the string is supported to the attached to the a metallic sphere called as bob. Okay. Generally, the pendulum maintains its equilibrium position, that is at point O. Take the pendulum at point A. Take the pendulum at point A. Okay, and release it. छोड़ दो उसको. What happens? The pendulum starts moving from point A to point B. Okay, and from point B to point A. Such movement of a pendulum, that is called as to and fro motion. Such movement of a pendulum is called as to and fro motion of a object, of a body, of a pendulum is called as oscillation. What is oscillation? To understand oscillation, take a pendulum whose one end is fixed to the rigid support, another end of the string is attached to the pendulum. The pendulum generally maintains its equilibrium position at point O. Take the pendulum at point A, release it. What happens? The pendulum starts moving from point A to point B and from point B to point A. Such to and fro motion of a pendulum is called as oscillation. So what is oscillation in general? The to and fro motion of an object, or the to and fro motion of a pendulum is called as oscillation. Check. On the basis of pendulum, we have the information related to what is oscillation. Now, what do we understand by the term simple harmonic motion? What is a simple harmonic motion? In short, define SHM, simple harmonic motion, or what is SHM in short? SHM, what is SHM? It is linear periodic motion. It is the linear periodic motion of a body. Linear, which is moving in a straight line. Periodic, systematically without any disturbance. The body is under motion. It is the linear periodic motion of a body in which restoring force is directed towards mean position and try to get the meaning and takes place in the direction of motion and takes place in the direction of force. क्या बतलाएगा देखो, what is SHM? SHM it is the linear periodic motion of a body in which जिसमें क्या होता है, in which the restoring force is directed towards some mean position. जिस बॉडी को आपने फोर्स अप्लाई किया वो बॉडी उसी डायरेक्शन में उसी सिम्त में जाएगी. रिस्टोरिंग फोर्स इज डायरेक्टेड टुवर्ड्स मीन पोजीशन एंड टेक्स प्लेस इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स. और जिधर आपने फोर्स लगाया बैट्समैन ने, बॉल उसी दिशा में जाएगा. समझ में आ रहा है? देखो, व्हाट इज एसएचएम? इट इज द लीनियर पीरियोडिक मोशन. इट इज the linear periodic motion in which बैट्समैन जब बॉल को जब फोर्स अप्लाई करता है तो व्हाट हैपेंस, इन which the restoring force is directed towards mean position. जिस पोजीशन में फोर्स अप्लाई करेगा, जितनी ताकत से बॉल लगाएगा, बॉल के पीछे ताकत लगाएगा, उतना ही दूर वो बॉल चला जाएगा. रिस्टोरिंग यानी आप उस बॉल को प्लेस भी कर सकते हैं, यानी आपने बहुत कम फोर्स उसको अप्लाई किया, बॉल में बहुत कम फोर्स आपने अप्लाई किया, वो नजदीकी पड़ेगा. बॉल में आप ज्यादा फोर्स अप्लाई करो, बॉल ज्यादा दूर चला जाएगा. ऐसा क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि आपने उसमें क्या स्टोर किया है? फोर्स. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द रिस्टोरिंग फोर्स. तो ये रिस्टोरिंग फोर्स कहाँ है? द रिस्टोरिंग फोर्स इज डायरेक्टेड टुवर्ड्स मीन पोजीशन, ओके, एंड टेक्स प्लेस. और कहाँ जाएगा? इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स. आप जिस दिशा में उस गेंद को भेजना चाहेंगे उस दिशा में आप गेंद को भेज सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ फोर्स. जिस दिशा में फोर्स अप्लाई करेंगे, बैट्समैन लेफ्ट को अगर डायरेक्शन अप्लाई करेगा फोर्स तो बॉल क्या होगा? लेफ्ट की दिशा में चला जाएगा. वो राइट को अगर फोर्स अप्लाई करेगा तो बॉल का डायरेक्शन क्या होगा? राइट में चला जाएगा. इट मींस दैट, और जैसा चला जाएगा उसका कैसा है मोशन? इट इज द लीनियर पीरियोडिक मोशन. पीरियोडिक, आपने फोर्स प्ले किया, पीरियोडिकली बॉल स्लो मोशन में जा रहा है, आपने फास्ट आपने ताकत फोर्स अप्लाई किया, पीरियोडिकली वो फास्ट एक ही दिशा में चला जा रहा है, एक ही दिशा में. इट इज द लीनियर पीरियोडिक मोशन इन विच रिस्टोरिंग फोर्स इज डायरेक्टेड टुवर्ड्स मीन पोजीशन. जहां फोर्स अप्लाई किया उधर, एंड जिस दिशा में अप्लाई किया उधर. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन. सो व्हाट इज सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन और व्हाट इज एसएचएम? इट इज द लीनियर पीरियोडिक मोशन ऑफ ए बॉडी इन विच, जिसमें क्या होता है? रिस्टोरिंग फोर्स डायरेक्टेड टुवर्ड्स मीन पोजीशन एंड it takes place in the direction of force. Now, what do you understand by the term period of SHM? Period of SHM. Period, generally the factor related to time. Period, it is related to time. Period of SHM, the time required for a particle, the time required for a particle to complete one oscillation. आपने पेंडुलम का आपने मोशन देखा. This one, yes, this is the initial position, okay, that is represented by O. This is the displaced position of a pendulum represented by A and B. क्या होगा यहाँ पर? Yes, आपने just पेंडुलम को डिस्प्लेस किया, O से A की तरफ आपने लाए, release it. What happens? The pendulum starts moving from point A to point B and from point B to point A. Now, the pendulum completes one oscillation. वन ऑसिलेशन कंप्लीट करने के लिए पेंडुलम को जितना समय लगता है वो समय, वो टाइम क्या कहलाता है? पीरियड ऑफ एसएचएम. व्हाट इज पीरियड ऑफ एसएचएम? टाइम रिक्वायर्ड फॉर ए पेंडुलम टू कंप्लीट वन ऑसिलेशन called as period of SHM, generally represented by the factor T, written as T is equal to 2 pi upon omega or 2 pi m. Okay, and it is measured in second. What is period of SHM? Period of SHM generally written as, it is the time required for a particle, for an object, for a pendulum to complete one oscillation. एक ऑसिलेशन करने के लिए किसी पेंडुलम को जो समय लगता है वो समय क्या कहलाता है? पीरियड ऑफ एसएचएम, represented by the factor capital T, mathematical written as T is equal to 2 pi upon omega, omega angular velocity, or T is equal to 2 pi n, where n be the frequency, number of rotation को कहें. ओके, एंड इसको किस में मेजर किया जाता है? इट इज जनरली मेजर्ड इन द फैक्टर सेकंड, रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय एस. वॉच इट. देन आफ्टर दैट let us consider another important article, another important definition, that is called as frequency of SHM. SHM, simple harmonic motion. Frequency of SHM. Frequency of SHM, it is defined as number of rotations. Number of rotation. Rotation, we are well familiar that the fan rotates about its own axis. अपने ही एक्सिस पर फैन रोटेट होता है. नंबर ऑफ रोटेशंस पर यूनिट टाइम. टाइम इज मेजर्ड इन सेकंड, यानी एक सेकंड में फैन के जो ब्लेड्स हैं वो कितना चक्कर लगाते हैं in 1 second. How many times the fan blades rotates? Number of rotations per unit time, or number of revolutions. Number of revolutions per unit time, or number of vibrations per unit time, or number of oscillations per unit time is called as, क्या कहलाता है? Frequency of SHM. What is frequency of SHM? Number of rotation per unit time, number of oscillation per unit time, number of revolution per unit time, number of vibrations per unit time is called as frequency of SHM, generally represented by the factor n. small n से इसको represent किया जाता है. Mathematically written as n is equal to 1 upon t. 1 upon t. T be the period. It means that frequency is the reciprocal of periodic time. That is, frequency is the reciprocal of period of SHM, and it is measured in hertz, which is represented by the factor hz. Okay, now next point, what do we understand by the term amplitude of SHM? SHM, simple harmonic motion. Amplitude of SHM. What is amplitude? It is the maximum displacement. The maximum displacement covered by an object, covered by pendulum, covered by a particle. क्या कहा गया? What is amplitude of SHM? The maximum displacement. We are well familiar. This diagram, pendulum generally maintains at equilibrium position को displace the pendulum take it at point A. Okay, what happens when we displace the pendulum at point A, release it? How much maximum displacement the pendulum covers? पेंडुलम कितना मैक्सिमम डिस्प्लेसमेंट कवर करता है? कब जो इनिशियल पॉइंट को था उस पेंडुलम को आपने उठाया, एट पॉइंट ए पे आपने लिया, रिलीज इट, आपने उसको छोड़ दिया, एंड व्हेन व्हाट हैपेंस, द पेंडुलम स्टार्ट्स ऑसिलेटिंग फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए टू पॉइंट बी. हाउ मच मैक्सिमम डिस्प्लेसमेंट, how much maximum displacement the pendulum covers? That maximum displacement covered by a pendulum, covered by an object is called as, yes, the maximum displacement covered by an object is called as amplitude of SHM, generally represented by the factor A or small a, and it is measured in meter. Watch it. Next point is that what do we understand by the term phase of SHM? What is phase of SHM? Phase of SHM, a quantity. Try to get the meaning of the sentence. इस सेंटेंस का मीनिंग लेने की कोशिश करें. एक क्वांटिटी, क्वांटिटी परिमाण को कहेंगे, मिकदार को कहेंगे. एक क्वांटिटी which describes, एक क्वांटिटी which describes the state of oscillation. कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? देखो, what is phase of SHM? एक क्वांटिटी, ऐसी क्वांटिटी जो क्या डिस्क्राइब करती है? एक क्वांटिटी विच डिस्क्राइब्स द स्टेट ऑफ ऑसिलेशन, ऑसिलेशन का स्टेट. यस, क्या मीनिंग आप ले सकते हैं इससे? ऐसी क्वांटिटी जो ऑसिलेशन का स्टेट डिस्क्राइब करती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज फेज ऑफ SHM. व्हाट इज फेज ऑफ SHM? ए क्वांटिटी which describes the state of oscillation is called as phase of SHM. आप फैन को देखकर बोल सकते हैं कैसी मोशन होता है? इट इज रोटेशनल मोशन होता है, रोटेटिंग फॉर्म होता है. आप पेंडुलम को देखकर बोल सकते हैं ऑसिलेटरी मोशन में हो सकता है. बराबर है. लेट अस कंसीडर, डिफाइन सेकंड्स पेंडुलम. व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द टर्म seconds pendulum? We are well familiar about the pendulum. Pendulum, it is a heavy point mass. एक heavy point mass होता है to which one end of the string is attached, whereas the another end of the string is supported by rigid support. Define seconds pendulum. A pendulum whose time period, a pendulum whose time period is of 2 seconds. कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? देखो, ऐसा पेंडुलम जिसका टाइम पीरियड, जिसका ड्यूरेशन, जिसकी कालावधि जिसको कहेंगे, कितना होता है? सिर्फ 2 सेकंड का. a pendulum whose time period is of 2 seconds is called as, क्या कहेंगे उसको? is called as seconds pendulum. Okay, generally it is, the period of pendulum is given by the formula. The period of pendulum is given by the formula. Yes, T is equal to 2 pi under root L upon G. ये पीरियड ऑफ पेंडुलम का फार्मूला है. T is equal to 2 pi under root L upon G, where T be the period, L be the length of the string, G be the acceleration due to gravity. अब इस फार्मूले में किसका कीमत 2 सेकंड आप रखने वाले हैं? यस, a pendulum whose time period is of 2 सेकंड. टाइम का कितना रहेंगे इसका समय? 2 सेकंड. यहाँ पर आप 2 पुट अप कर सकते हैं. For seconds pendulum period, 2 is equal to 2 pi under root L upon G as it is. ये स्क्वायर रूट अगर निकालना है आपको, सो फर्स्ट दिस टू गेट्स कैंसल, नथिंग इज देयर 1, बराबर। ये स्क्वायर रूट निकालने के लिए आपको क्या करना होगा, स्क्वायरिंग, ऑन स्क्वायरिंग व्हाट वी गेट, on squaring here nothing is there, 1 is equal to pi square into L upon G, is it correct? pi square square निकल गया, स्क्वायर करने के बाद L upon G, nothing is there to the denominator 1, taking cross product what we can write, that is pi square L is equal to G, or L is equal to G upon pi square. This is the general formula for length of seconds pendulum. What do we understand by the term seconds pendulum? A pendulum whose time period is of 2 seconds called as seconds pendulum. The period of pendulum is given by the formula T is equal to 2 pi under root L upon G. What is T? T be the pendulum period, L be the length of the string to which pendulum is attached. G is the acceleration due to gravity. Put the value of T. How much? 2 seconds. 2. So 2 is equal to 2 pi under root L upon G. 2 gets cancelled. Nothing is there. 1. So 1 upon में भी कुछ नहीं तो 1. 1 upon 1 is equal to क्या हो गया ये? स्क्वायर अंडर रूट में था, हमने उसको स्क्वायरिंग किया तो L बाहर आ गया, G भी बाहर आ गया. So 1 upon 1 is equal to pi square L upon G. Taking cross product, pi square L is equal to G, or L is equal to G upon pi square. This is the general formula for length of seconds pendulum. Watch it. Now let us consider differential equation of SHM. Differential इक्वेशन ऑफ SHM बार बार पूछा गया आर्टिकल ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. इस चैप्टर का बार बार पूछा गया आर्टिकल, डिड्यूस द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ऑफ SHM बताओ. ये आर्टिकल बार बार पूछा गया है. डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ऑफ SHM. SHM in SHM what happens? ये आप जानते हैं. What happens in SHM? In SHM, the very first point, a restoring force is, yes, in SHM, a restoring force is directed towards, yes, directed towards mean position. Is it correct? In SHM, what happens? The restoring force is directed towards mean position. Second point, its magnitude. Magnitude किसका magnitude? किसका परिमाण? किसकी मिकदार? Force का. Force का परिमाण. Force की ताकत. Its magnitude is directly proportional to. Its magnitude is directly proportional to displacement. Okay, mathematically this statement we can write as force is directly proportional to displacement x, F proportional to x, or F is equal to minus kx, where k be the constant called as constant of proportionality, x be the distance, F be the force. Why the minus sign is there? Why the minus sign? आप जब किसी चीज को फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं, जब आप गेंद सामने जब फेंक रहे हैं तो पहले आप आपका हाथ पीछे लेते हैं. The negative sign indicates that, yes, the negative sign indicates that. What the negative sign indicates? The negative sign indicates force is acting in opposite direction. Okay, what the negative sign indicates? The force is acting in opposite direction. Now, but we are well familiar that what is force actually? Force is nothing but mass into acceleration. What is force? Force is nothing but mass into acceleration. That is ma is equal to minus kx, where m be the mass, a be the acceleration, k be the constant, x be the distance. Ra is equal to what happens? Minus k upon m into x. This is the general formula for acceleration. Equation number 1. कैसा आए हम इक्वेशन 1 तक? Deduce or give the differential equation of SHM. SHM के बारे में आप क्या जानते हैं? In SHM, the very first point, restoring force is directed towards mean position. Second point, and its magnitude is directly proportional to distance or displacement. Mathematically, F proportional to x. Or F is equal to minus kx. What is the negative sign indicates? It indicates the force is acting in opposite direction. But actually, what is force? It is the product of mass into acceleration. So ma is equal to minus kx. In terms of acceleration, a is equal to minus k upon m into x. But what is acceleration actually? Acceleration is nothing but change in velocity upon time. What is acceleration? Acceleration is nothing but change in velocity upon time. Or a is equal to this d by dt, we can keep it as it is. Okay? Or it can also be written as, that is a is equal to this d by dt, we are keeping as it is. What is this v? V stands for velocity. What is velocity? Change in distance upon time or change in displacement upon time. Dx by dt. When this dd multiplied, it becomes d square x upon dt square. Equation number 2. We have two equations in the terms of a. A के फॉर्म में दो इक्वेशन आपके पास है. Comparing 1 and 2 or equating 1 and 2. Comparing 1 and 2. We have d square x upon dt square is equal to here minus k upon m into x. Okay, this minus k by m into x, that side, when it comes here, what it becomes? It becomes d square x upon dt square plus k by m into x is equal to 0. This is called as the differential equation of SH. Watch it.